Hi, today we'll see how to use arrays in JavaScript. Okay, so let us create array.html. So our goal will be to list the fruits. So I want to list, like, for example, fruits and bulleted stuff like mango, banana. Okay, this is the goal. So I have a list and I want to present it in this format: fruit list and mango, banana with the bullets. Now let's proceed. Okay, how to use the array. So this is the HTML structure as usual. We get it using the shift and the top exclamation. And now I have the header. I put fruit list, and then I will create an unordered list with an ID. Say ID is equal to fruit list. So this ID is important to note. And then I have a script. Okay. Now this is the fruit list ID for the unordered list from the UI side. Now let's create a array. Fruits is equal to mango, banana, orange. Okay. Now I want to iterate these fruits and create the unordered list. So first let's get the element of the unordered list. How do you get the element of the unordered list? I say fruit list. I declare a variable called fruit list object. That's equal to document. I use the document DOM interface, document dot get element by ID, and refer this element ID. So that should get in here. Now I got the fruit list. This fruit list represents this unordered list. Now coming to, we have to iterate the fruits, right? Here we will iterate the fruits. Here if you see, we are not going to use the for loop, we are going to use the for each. Okay, so we'll say fruits dot for each, and then we have, so if you see here, the for each takes a callback function. So actually speaking, you are not iterating. The for each internally iterates every element and then calls the callback function. So it is better you see this session after my callback session which was conducted earlier. That will make it a little more clear to you. Okay, the callback function is called whenever each item is iterated. So we have a function like this. Okay, so if you see here, what are the values sent by the callback function? Value string, index, and array. Right, the value is each value. Index is index of the array. So instead of you iterating each one 0 to 3, the for each internally iterates, and when it encounters every element of the array, it calls this callback function and sends the values of the fruit, index, and array. So for each internally will call this callback function. Please understand. And so we have here fruit. Let's take only the fruit. I will not consider the index and the thing. Okay. Now I want to construct the li element inside the unordered list. Okay, the bulleted elements. Now for each fruit, we need to create where li is equal to document, again use the document interface dot create element. We will create the element li. Okay, now we have the fruit, we have the li. We need to put the content inside the li. So li dot text content is equal to value of the fruit, which is coming from the callback. Okay, then next is we need to associate this li with the fruit list. Okay, so fruit list dot append child li. Now what has happened here? We are appending to the unordered list. So now we should be able to see the unordered list. So let's summarize again. We have the array here. We have the fruit list element. So we are retrieving this element here. So this fruit list and here this fruit list are same. If you see here, this get element by id, and then we get the fruit list element, and then for each fruit we are creating a li element and adding the value, and each li element is appended to the fruit list. Now let's see running it. So we have the list of fruits here listed as mango, banana and orange. Hope this example is clear to you of how to use the array using forEach. Thank you.